So this is exactly how you can add keyframes in the Capcut on your iPad. Let's begin. So before we get started, most definitely make sure you are part of the Foxtecc channel by subscribing below, and you're not going to miss anything important. Well, on your Capcut, just load up your clips as usual, and on the timeline, make sure you have the clip selected, right? So just tap on it like that. And above the timeline, right next to the preview, we have a little like a diamond icon with a plus button next to it. And this is exactly the keyframe, right? So you select the exact starting position of the first keyframe, right? So you click on it like that. It will show up on the timeline as well. And now you can move forward or backward or anywhere else on the clip and perform the changes, right? So for example, I'm going to change the colors or the size or whatever, right? And the point is that the change will not happen suddenly, but it will happen gradually from the first keyframe until the second one, right? So the starting position is the original one and the ending position is the last keyframe, right? So this is like the whole principle and the point behind it. Keep in mind, however, that you can also click on the graph icon next to the keyframe and adjust the way it changes, between the keyframes, right? So it might go just linearly or gradually like that, but you can also just make it go in the curves. So it just gets adjusted a little more smoothly, right? So you can experiment with those options as well. But at the end of the day, it's really just that simple. So let me know if it works for you. Most definitely subscribe for more tutorials and videos like this one, and I'll talk to you later.